video is to tell my next step towards getting a postdoc position. For getting a postdoc position, either in India or in abroad, some of the options are to apply for a fellowship. If a particular host or supervisor does not have a postdoc position by his own, we can apply for some postdoc fellowships by writing a project proposal. Like in abroad for Europe, there are some fellowships like Humboldt Marie Curie or DFG Walter Benjamin, something like this. And for India, which specifically I will tell in this video because that is my next call, there are some fellowships like National Postdoctoral Fellowship, NPDF. For women, there is some women scientist position, that too is a postdoc position. One is Inspire faculty position, that too can be applied just after doing a PhD, even without getting any further postdoc. And another option is some Nehru Science Postdoctoral Fellowship, that is for different CSIR labs. So CSIR is a central governmental council for the scientific research. So that is for those labs. Now here I'll apply for some fellowships among those, and for doing so, for doing a successful postdoc application, I need to write a good proposal. I mean research proposal. So that proposal writing is the most important part, and the idea need to be from my side. It will be my idea, and then there is some format for separate proposal, like for in PDF there is a format, for women scientists there is a format, for DST nanomission there is a format, and the formats include specific word limit, specific character, and even specific columns, like including the name, the objective of the proposal, the plan of the work, why you think your proposal will be beneficial for the scientific community, and the whole summary of your proposal. So for writing those, since my next goal is to write that proposal, I need to think how to convince my proposal a good one, so that it could be selected for hundreds of, or I will say thousands of applicants. Since I am from chemistry department, so usually in science stream, among all the disciplines, chemistry has the highest number of students, I can say, among physics, math and chemistry. So usually there are huge number of applicants, maybe a few thousands. So among those, why would they select my proposal as a valued one? So I need to see what the literature is for a particular field. Since I discussed my research in the last video, that is based on some light emission, usually focused in the near infrared region. So at first I need to know what are the previous literatures, previous works have been done in this field. And after that, based on that literature search, I need to find out what is the research gap. Like these many things have been done, hundreds of works have been done in another thing, another 400, 500 of works have been done. Then among all those things, I need to know the gist, need to know the essence of the field, and then find the research gap and the research question. Then try to answer that research question by proposing a research direction. And most importantly, that research direction should be doable in your host institution. The host or the advisor for choosing, for applying for this position. So this is the first thing. And after that, you need to have a foolproof plan of how to write. It's not about using just the AI tool and write just ask in AI tool the give the title and write a proposal like this. It's not about that. Then it will be a generalized thing. We need to have we have to have a good thinking of mind, good writing to stand alone with our proposed thing. So my next step is to do that. I'll do the writing part and then I need to do all the other things like they're based on the fellowship which I am applying, either NPDA or Women Scientist or Taste in Animation or Inspire faculty position or the for CSIR lab the neuroscience postdoctoral fellowships. Either of these I have separate that pro forma. So my CV, my publications, my details of the itinerary of my academics, where I have done my graduation, master's, PhD, then what my research is, everything I need to fill in that format, and that will take a significant amount of time. After that, we usually need to upload either in their website or need to make a single PDF or need to see what are the um, uh, things which we need to do, maybe some form or maybe sometimes it could be the sending the hard copy also. So all these things we need to check before applying for a postdoctoral fellowship, and before even starting this we need to look all these things, otherwise it will take time. So this is all about my today's topic, I will say, and then I'll see how I can proceed with my writing. Then I will do all my this filling of form, my biodata, my publication details based on the fellowships I want to apply. Then I will see how to fill based on all these informations.